Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're at the Hilton Garden Inn, Chattanooga, Hamilton Place, and we'll be giving you a tour of our room. This hotel is located just off of I-75 on the northeast side of Chattanooga near the airport. We'll take a quick look around the hotel before we get on up to the room. We have an indoor pool, and just outside is a sun deck. Off to the side of the pool is a well-equipped fitness center. This hotel offers a breakfast buffet, fresh fruit, pastries, as well as cooked-to-order meals. Cokes from the vending machines here in the hall are $2.50 for a 20-ounce bottle. So this is our king room here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Chattanooga, and we'll start with the basic features. We have a map of the hotel, and we got an end room on the top floor, so it's away from the elevators, should be quiet. Check-in time 3 p.m., check-out time 11 a.m. We have the peephole. We have a safety latch. This door doesn't line up very well, I notice. And mechanical deadbolt, you have to kind of push on the door to lock the deadbolt. So as we come into the room over here on the right, we have a closet with sliding doors. There is no safe in the room that we can find. And the hangers are the ones with the little bitty hooks. There's an ironing board in there and an iron. Then we have a microwave, and this microwave has lots of buttons here. Has the presets for popcorn, baked potato, pizza, beverage, frozen dinner, reheat. So it has some features. Appears to be on its track. The little thing under the platter is not. Clock is set and correct. We have a Keurig coffee maker. A couple of cups with lids, stirring sticks, morning edition blend, English breakfast tea, and some decaf. We got our 2 free bottles of water, which cost everybody else $2 if you're not a Hilton Honors member. And we get an ice bucket with the plastic liner and a couple more cups there. Down here we have a refrigerator. And we got this little thing here to hold stuff onto the door shelf, but this one is missing here. And there's no kind of freezer in there either. Cabinet here, little very shallow useless drawer there. Now there's no luggage rack in this room, but it has this bench here, which I guess is really for putting your luggage on. Nice king size bed. And the king size bed has it's not really a duvet, just a bedspread. Top sheet, bottom sheet. 2 small pillows, 2 big pillows. A bedside table here with a drawer. Empty drawer. Nothing underneath. And this one we have the little alarm clock like all Hiltons seem to have. Telephone, and a drawer with the Holy Bible. Nothing under there either. We have an easy chair with a footrest and a little table here. Air conditioning in the window. Desk with an ergonomic chair. It's adjustable up and down. And there's a drawer on the desk. There's lots of places to plug in here at the desk, and there's a wired Ethernet cable. And Canon and all the stuff that guest directory. And I got the channel guide. Stuff about conserving water. And an in-room menu for, I don't know if they have room service, but they have some sort of restaurant on site. And a big mirror. The artwork here seems to be of Chattanooga. And one of the iconic barns with a Rock City advertisement on it. And we have a thermostat here that controls the air conditioner over on the window. So that's pretty much it for the room. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, and in the bathroom we have our usual amenities. Nice large mirror, very well lit. We have 3 hand towels and 3 washcloths here, hanging on a rack, box of Kleenex, more cups, or at least 1 cup. Sink with hot and cold running water. Some Neutrogena French milled soap, and then the whole Neutrogena line of body lotion, shampoo and conditioner, bath soap, a vanity kit, and a shower cap. A trash can underneath the counter. 2 rolls of toilet paper under the counter. More scenery, I assume, from the Chattanooga area. Picture's crooked. Not only is it crooked, but it's like permanently affixed to the wall, so there's no way to straighten it out. We have a Toto toilet. We've seen that before. We've got the curved shower curtain rod, which is pretty standard in hotels nowadays. Nice cloth shower curtain, inner and outer. And we have what appears to be 7 bath towels. Now 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 up there and 1 there. So we actually have 4 bath towels. That's unusual. Usually we only get 2. And the light does not carry very well into the shower. So it's kind of dark over here. But let's take a look at the shower. They got the drain plug for some reason. So that means they cleaned it. And we got really good flow in the shower head. And it has a massage setting. And it's got several different settings. So that actually works really well. I guess this is some kind of vent. There's no fan running in there. There's no way to turn on a fan. But I guess that just lets some of the steam out when you take a shower. On the back of the door we have a hair dryer. So that's pretty much it for the room. Let's take a look out the window now. So outside of the window we get a view of the Fairfield Inn & Suites by Marriott right across the parking lot. And there's actually a fence dividing the sun deck area, which we saw earlier, from their parking lot. It's like one of those vinyl fences, so when you're in the sun deck area, you can't see the other competing hotel. And this window actually appears to open, but it doesn't. It's screwed shut. Yep, it's screwed shut. So let's take a look at that. That's nighttime. And this is our daylight view of the hotel next door. So this concludes our review of this hotel room here at the Hilton Garden Inn, Chattanooga. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.